Hi guys, your girl Lydia Meggison here again with another video. Today is Friday. Yeah, if you are seeing this video now, today is Friday. Yes, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I put on my contact lens. Yeah, we have no makeup on today because of this video. When, like, for me personally, I like to not wear makeup before I put my contact. I've seen people do it and put on their contact lens with makeup on, but I don't know how to do that. I'm just going to be teaching you how to put on your contact lens while you don't have makeup on, before you get your makeup done. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do that today. And if this is not your first time here, welcome back. Thank you for always coming back. I love you guys so much. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing we're going to be doing is washing your hands. I already washed my hands, like so clear. I washed it with soap and water. You want to make sure that there are no germs in your fingers and all of that stuff. So I just washed my hands already, and I'm going to be taking my contact lens now. This is the one in Fresh Look. Yeah, this is Turquoise. So I'm just going to be opening it up. I have it here in case. I'm just going to be opening it up. The solution is inside. Yeah, I'm going to be taking the right eye and with your finger, I'm just going to be picking it out like this. So it's there. So you want to keep it at the back of your hand like this. And just picking it up with this finger. That. Then you open your eyes and look away. Like that. So we have this right eye on now. So guys, we're going to be doing the second eye now, and you can see that is what's it called, left written on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. So there's like left. So we're going to be fixing up the left eye now, just like that. Picking it up, doing the same step we did for the other eye. Picking it up and like that. Put your hand, your index finger, and opening up your eyes like this, and looking away, or looking whichever, left or right, anyone you like. Just putting it in now. Make sure you tap so you can stay. And close your eyes, and just like that. And just like that, you have your contact lens on. I know that my eyes is a bit red now, but everything is going to normalize very soon. And yeah, like that. So guys, this is how it looks on now. Just finished putting it on. This is how it looks. I know this color is not really popping, but this is Turquoise from Fresh Look. You can also look to get other brands. I think Freshtone is here in Nigeria. Freshtone is more prominent, like it shows more than Fresh Look. So this is Turquoise, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take it out. So let's do this. So from that, this is my container where I keep it all the time. So I'm just going to be opening up the right. I don't like to mix it up. This is the right side, so I'm just going to be taking out my right contact lens now. Just opening up your eyes same way and just picking it out like that. I'm taking out the right, easy peasy. Opening up the left case now to put it in. Same thing, you open up your eye, you want to hold it down like this and hold it down like that, and just pick it out like that. You want to make sure that your hands are clean. Just picking it out like that. your hands must always be clean. So just put it back into the left like that, and you are closing it back up. You want to make sure that you clean out your contact lens regularly with the solution. This is what the solution looks like. I'm sorry that's a bit messy, it's just all up in my makeup bag and it got messy. So this is what the solution looks like. I'm like kind of out of it now, but every time you want to wear the contact lens off, or every time you want to keep it inside, you want to change the solution. So you just take out this one that is already in it and you pour more and you just clean like that, so you can find no particles in your contact lens case and your contact lens. So yeah, I know this is not like my normal, but it's still beauty related, so I just wanted to come here and teach you guys, because a lot of people have problems wearing their contact lens and even allowing people wear the lens for them. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you like, I hope you share, I hope you subscribe, all that good stuff. You know how we do over here. And if this is not your first time, if this is your first time, I would like to say a big welcome to the family. Thank you for joining us. Hope you click the subscribe button to stay a part of the family. Love you guys. Bye.